something.
So yeah, taxi here. Apparently it's going to be heaving. Trail doesn't seem so bad. It's hidden. The mountains are hidden a little bit. I say hidden. There you go. There they are. But that's not where we're going. We're going this way. Right. You died twice. I just followed clearly some crazy adventure people teach me, and ended up walking up a freaking what's it called, waterfall. I like my boots, they held out. So my nose is running like crazy, but it took me off track, and I'm watching all the other people up top. I'm like, did you get up there? And I've seen there's a shortcut I can get out, and I'm like, this waterfall's getting more, it's turning from a stream into a proper waterfall. Why are all the rocks white? You're in a waterfall. What a twat. So yeah, to be rocking. Water bottle bloody legs. My nose won't stop running. Got layers on. Nice little water. I'll wrap it up in a bloody plastic bag. I can't stop swearing. Looks like some sort of comfort. Let's get to that. Enjoy. I don't like filming when people are about. Okay, long stretches where there's literally no one, and then loads of people. Some more coming along now.
J'ai vu 2 fois, je l'aime pas.
I won't focus if I tell it to focus there. It should do it. Yeah, whatever. You're gonna do what you want to do, huh? I'm just taking a minute. It's not the best angle for that. He looks fat. He's not fat no more. Around that mountain I gotta go. It's some mythical lake. This is hard. I want to cry. I'm probably going to cry soon. My body's just going, no, no more. Oh, you took 3 steps. Enough. Done. I've hit my limit. No I didn't know it was going to be this steep and literally climbing up the side of a fucking mountain. I can't do it. I'm starting to get dizzy. As you can see, I had a meltdown. I'm scared of heights. When I jumped off a mountain all those years ago, I thought I was doing alright. I mean, look. I've literally climbed a freaking mountain. I'm swollen now. I'm really disappointed. A bit broken now. There's a road. First road I've seen in ages. Glacier water.